Okay, let's see SC11 MARA. MARA. Okay, client here is specific. It cannot be zero. And client is always your landscape. And if we look at another table, TVARV, change, maintain in logon language. Okay, over here, what do we have? Table of variables and selection criteria. Okay, over here, for every transactional table and functional tables, which are for ABAP, they have their own fields and characteristics. It's important to know that. So programs like these are cross-client. This doesn't have a client, if you can see. Okay, and clients from development server, QA server can use this table. This is a universal table. This is cross table. Okay, so if you just check the attributes, it is part of the package. And thing is, control table, SAP and customer have separate key areas. Separate key areas means they will actually use this table and can use for cross-client transactions. Okay. Now, moving forward, SCC1 is locked. Oh, SCC4. Okay. Now, this is the client. We have three clients, 0, 100, 200. This is for reference. This is given by SAP. And this is for customizing. Customizing means for ABAP. And this is for demo. Whatever you customize will be transferred to demo. So tables like TV, ARV, TVARV can be cross-referenced in these three landscapes. Okay. Now, if we go to SC11 again, repos RC. Okay. Over here, this is the table where the source code is actually stored of every program, where it is protected. Okay. And the logical database address is also given here, and it is used by a specific group of users. The author who has made this will be here. So these are again cross-client tables. So cross-client tables can be used over multiple landscapes. USR, this is for user. Okay, over here we have a client, which is again client specific, and it is used on one client. So any table that has a client in that, it is specific to one landscape, either dev, which is development, okay, or QA or production. Okay, now we are coming to SC93 VF03. We have to check the package. This is the package. Package is collection of tables, programs, logic, PF. What is in this package? Okay. Application development, R3 for invoice. Use access. This is the interface that will actually show you the packages. Package interface, sub-packages, package hierarchy. In this package, we have these sub-packages which are used for application. So if you want to see the details further, we go to SC80. SE80. VF is the package of VF03 transaction. VF. Okay. In the packages, price search help, process flexibility, sub packages. What do we have in packages? Objects, libraries, functions, transactions, enhancement. Enhancement is made by ABAP consultant. Okay, let's see views, what it has. Okay, we have a table. Okay, in basically a variant which has many tables aligned, and it has a client as well. So VF is also client specific when it comes to using a specific transactions. Okay, structures. Now structures basically is a collection of programs and tables grouped together. Billing document type, component, double click, and we have attributes of the data element. So packages are created by basis guys, not basis guys, and ABAP actually develops and creates those, basis creates those packages. 24 March data structure. Okay. Structures 24 execution. Package is local, which is used on local machine or local server. It is not transportable. Okay. Now let's write a program. Parameters. Parameters P underscore name 10 type C. So this is a parameter which will take characters. Okay. Right. The input was right justified. Okay. Right. P underscore name right end. Okay. Okay. Utilities. Let's see, where are the utilities? Settings. Source
सर
code.
ये क्या कर रहे हैं आप? मतलब थोड़ा सा बताएंगे,
मैं
मतलब
आपको
क्या चीज?
प्रोग्राम असल में लिख के बता रहा हूँ कि
अच्छा,
पैरामीटर्स के अपने कैसे आप you can actually use programs in different ways. Okay, front end editor, display all. Front end editor. Okay. Source code text based. Ten is not valid. Okay. Let me just utilities settings. Data 10 is not valid. How is not valid? Rename 10. Type C. Or syntax errors. Activate. Rename. Execute. The input was C and parameters 10 is not valid. What was the other? Type C. Parameters. Okay. Now this is only one space. This input wasn't it? End. Okay. Sometimes the syntax actually it plays around. So no spaces. Okay. Okay. Now data structures. 24th March. Executable program. Save local object. Okay. Parameters p underscore name 10 type C. Start of selection. Right. The input was right justified at selection screen output. Right p underscore name right end. End is unknown. Okay. Activate. Okay. Was net. Input was not justified. Okay. At selection screen output. At selection screen. Startup selection. At selection screen output. One thing. P underscore name is equal to was net. The input was right justified. Okay. Check, activate. Then I will tell you line by line. ABAP. Input was again missing. Okay. Okay. Now what's happening here? We are defining a field, a variable, okay, which has a storage space of 10, length of 10. It will be character type. And parameters make sure that it is an input field. Start of selection. This again is a syntax. Now, start of selection, will actually it will actually give you the option to select. But what we'll do, is we will write the input was right justified, and at selection screen output, it will show the input was right justified. Okay, now we will actually change the program a little bit, and instead of putting p name here, right justified, p was net, and check, activate. Okay, direct processing was net. Now at selection screen, this is the selection screen where it has shown that the field is auto populated. Okay, was net, execute, the input was still not showing. Okay, write p name. Okay, p name, it has to show p name, which is not showing. Okay. And selection. Did you get the idea, Imtiaz sir?